Good morning, students. Now we are going to start chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. So in previous class you have studied about limit. In case of limit, you know about it. Limit exists, limit x tends to a, fx exists if LHL is equal to RHL. LHL means left hand limit and RHL means right hand limit. Clear? So now in case of continuity, a function is said to be continuous at x tends to a, at x is equal to a if LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value at that point. Clear? So now about continuity, geometrical meaning of continuity. Geometrical meaning of continuity, function f will be continuous at x is equal to c if there is no break in the graph of the function at the point c, comma fc. Clear? In an interval, function is said to be continuous if there is no break in the graph of the function in the entire interval. Clear? Now, continuity of a function at any point. A function fx is said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a in its domain if the following three conditions are satisfied. Fx, fa exists, first condition, and second condition is limit x tends to a fx exists, and third condition is limit x tends to a fx is equal to fa. Means if limit x tends to a fx is equal to fa means functional value, then function will be continuous at x is equal to a. Now continuity in an interval. First, f is said to be continuous in an open interval AB if it is continuous at every point in this interval. Clear? Second, f is said to be continuous in the closed interval AB if fx is continuous in open interval AB, limit x tends to a fx, limit x tends to a positive fx is equal to fa, and limit x tends to b negative fx is equal to fb. Clear? Now see the examples. Here you have to examine fx is equal to 2x square plus 1 at x is equal to 3. You have to check whether the given function is continuous or not continuous. Not continuous means discontinuous at the given point. So function is fx is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3 LHL. Firstly you have to find LHL. LHL will be, LHL means left hand limit, limit x tends to 3 negative fx will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f3 minus h. Fx is equal to 2x square minus 1, then f3 minus h will be, you have to put x is equal to 3 minus h in the given function, then you have f3 minus h. Now apply the limit, so LHL is equal to 17. Now find RHL. In case of RHL will be equal to limit x tends to 3 positive fx will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f3 plus h. You have to put x is equal to 3 plus h in fx, then f3 plus h will be this one. Now apply the limit, then RHL will also be equal to 17. Clear? Now find functional value. In functional value, f3 will be put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in the given function, then f3 will be 17. So we find here LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f3. Therefore fx is continuous at x is equal to 3. Clear? Now next example, find all the points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by fx is equal to fx is equal to 2x plus 3 when x is less than equal to 2 and 2x minus 3 when x is greater than 2. Clear? We have to find the point of discontinuity. So here function is given. Now check the continuity at x is equal to 2. So firstly find left hand limit. LHL will be limit x tends to 2 negative fx will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f2 minus h. Now in case of LHL, we have to consider the function where x is less than 2. So where x is less than 2, then fx is 2x plus 3. So f2 minus h will be 2 into 2 minus h plus 3. Now apply the limit, so LHL is equal to 7. Now at x is equal to 2, find RHL. RHL will be limit x tends to 2 positive fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f2 plus h. Now in case of RHL, you have to consider the function where x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2, then function is given x is greater than 2, then function is 2x minus 3. So f2 plus h will be 2 into 2 plus h minus 3, because we have to put x is equal to 2 plus h in fx is equal to 2x minus 3. So this will be equal to 1 on applying the limit. Now we find that LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore we can say that fx is discontinuous at x is equal to 2. Clear? Now next example, prove that the function fx is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. Prove that the function fx is equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x is equal to 3. So now firstly we have to find LHL and RHL at x is equal to 3 and also functional value at x is equal to 3. If LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value at that point, then function will be continuous, otherwise discontinuous. So now find LHL at x is equal to 3. LHL will be x tends to 3 negative fx will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f3 minus h. Fx is 5x minus 3, then f3 minus h will be, you have to put x is equal to 3 minus h in the function, then LHL will be 12. Clear? Similarly, find RHL. In case of RHL, limit x tends to 3 positive fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f3 plus h, and put x is equal to 3 plus h in the given function, then RHL will be 12. Also find functional value. To find the functional value, put x is equal to 3. So f3 will be 12. We find that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value at that point. Therefore, fx is continuous at x is equal to 3. Also, you can prove limit x tends to 3 limit x tends to 3 fx is equal to f3, then it will be continuous. Clear? Now next example, find all the point of discontinuity of f where f is defined fx is equal to x cube minus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, and x square plus 1 if x is greater than 2. You have to check the points of discontinuity. So at x is equal to 3, firstly find LHL. At x is equal to 2, firstly find LHL. LHL will be equal to limit x tends to 2 negative fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f2 minus h. Now in case of LHL, you have to consider the function where x is less than 2. So function will be x cube minus 3. So you have to put x is equal to 2 minus h in place of x cube minus 3. Then f2 minus h will be 2 minus h cube minus 3. Now put the value of h is equal to 0. Then LHL is equal to 5. Clear? Now find RHL. Also find RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 2 positive fx, limit h tends to 0 f2 plus h. In case of RHL, you have to consider the function where x is greater than 2. So x is greater than 2, then function is x square plus 1. Clear? So here f2 plus h will be equal to, you have to put x is equal to 2 plus h in the function fx is equal to x square plus 1. So f2 plus h will be 2 plus h ka whole square plus 1. Now apply the limit is equal to 5. You can find also functional value. To find its functional value, you have to consider the function where x is equal to 2. So fx is x cube minus 3 when x is equal to 2. Clear? Fx is x cube minus 2 when x is equal to 2. Now find f2. f2 will be 2 cube minus 2. X cube minus 3. Function is x cube minus 3. Check again. When x is equal to 2, then function is x cube minus 3. Clear? So you can find f2. So fx is equal to x cube minus 3 when x is equal to 2. तो find f2. f2 will be 2 cube minus 3. Clear? Will be equal to 5. So we can say that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f2. Therefore fx is continuous at x is equal to 2. Clear? So students, you have to remember, to prove that the given function is continuous at the given point, you have to show that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to functional value at that point. Clear? So now you have to solve the questions related to this topic. Okay students, thank you.